Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Ceridian Dayforce HCM. Okay, so first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Ceridian Dayforce. That's right, and click on this website. After that, you'd be directed to this website, and you can click on the Get Started option at the top right. Okay, so here, clicked on the Dayforce option, and we have the different reasons why we are going to choose the Dayforce. So if you want to watch a demo, so you just have to input your details right here. And since we cannot really watch the demo for now, so what I'm going to do here is to discuss to you the things that you should know about the Ceridian Dayforce. Okay, so starting off, so here, the Dayforce can help you makes your life better and for your business, so you can help realize your people potential. So empower your workforce every day with personalized employee experiences, more technology, and real-time insights that help you engage and retain your people. So personalize your people experiences, shape a future-ready workforce, and get up-to-the-minute insights. That's right. Okay, so now let's go here. We have the operate with confidence. So operate with confidence. Write anywhere with full integrity. So tap into any labor market. Avoid payroll and people trouble. And safeguard your people data. Next is unlock more value. So here, work smarter and faster. No more brittle integrations. And stay future ready with the latest innovations. Now, let's go to the different reasons that we should know why we need Dayforce for our business. So transform every area of HCM with Dayforce, help pay accurately and efficiently, unlock agile workforce management, attract, develop, and retain top talent, streamline HR and empower people, make data-driven HR decisions, and provide best fit benefits for everyone. Here you can get support at every step. Okay, so now let's go here at the top. Here we have the Dayforce suite, AI at Dayforce, technology, compliance, customer stories, human resources, payroll, workforce management, talent, learning, and people analytics. So here, let's go to the human resources. So everything HR, all in one place. So one platform for your HR needs. So it's time to simplify your HR practices. So with the Dayforce HR management software, you can access the information you need about your employees in one place, from compensation to benefits to performance. So you can get the full picture, empower your people, and discover hidden insights. So again, using the Dayforce HCM offers a big advantage by combining all core HR functions like payroll, benefits, time tracking, and talent management into one single platform. So this means less switching between systems, fewer errors, and faster access to important data. So with the real-time updates, managers and HR teams can make better decisions based on the most current information, helping the business stay efficient and compliant. And another key benefit is how Dayforce supports employee engagement and productivity. Employees can easily view their schedules, request time off, check the pay details, and update personal info through the self-service portal or the mobile app. This gives them more control and transparency while reducing the workload for HR staff. So overall, the Dayforce simplifies the workforce management and helps businesses focus more on growth and employee satisfaction. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.